Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will continue our material uh, to the next material. The previous video, the material is about freelance ranking, and now the material is router on sticks. Before we go to the lab, I will tell you what is router on sticks. Router on stick is a networking configuration where a single physical interface on a router is used to route traffic between multiple VLANs on a network. It is the go-to solution for inter-VLAN routing when a layer 3 or multi-layer switch is not available. For core components, the trunk link, a single physical cable, connect to the switch to the router. This port on the switch must be configured as a trunk to allow multiple VLANs to pass through that CON cable. And next is the interface. Since the router has limited physical ports, the single physical interface or gigabit Ethernet is divided into multiple virtual logical interface called subinterface. Each subinterface is assigned to a specific VLAN. Its and each subinterface acts as the default gateway for its respective VLAN. And is 802.1q encapsulation. The router must understand the text sent by the switch. Its subinterface is configured with 802.1q encapsulation, so it knows which tag belong to which logical network. And the, the traffic flow or the hairpin effect. When a device VLAN 10, 1 to 12 for device VLAN in VLAN 2 and VLAN 20, the process follow U-turn pattern. The data leaves the PC and goes to the switch. The switch sends the data up to the router. With a VLAN with a VLAN 10 tag. The router receives the data, process the routing table, and realize the destination is in VLAN 20. The router changes the tag to VLAN 20 and sends the data back down the same cable to the switch. The switch then delivers it to the destination PC in VLAN. Okay, maybe that's enough from theory. Now let's go to the lab. From the previous video, we add no switch port. We add switch port from allowed VLAN 10. Now we have to remove it first before we lab the router on stick. And after that, because the material is router on stick, we must add a router. We must update our topology. Just use the old one, but just add some router right here and just like that. And let's configure the router first. So just open router, and after that we enable configure terminal. We go to the, as you can see, the router is not fast Ethernet but gig gig 0/0. So we enter gig 0/0, no shutdown, no shutdown. This is before use the command. As you can see, there's red dot right here. Red, this red, which means it's been shut down. You must turn it on first. So that's why the no shutdown is used for. Enter. After that, just the cable will be turned. Just keep it forward, and after that, the cable will be pinned. Hmm, back to the configuration. So after that, we exit. Then we have to make the sub interface. So to make it is enter gig 0/0 dot 10 because we're going to make it in Python 10. After that is encapsulation dot funq 10 like that so much. And we have to add the IP address. Just follow the IP address to make your out 150 and 0. Enter, and after that we exit again and enter gig 0/0 dot 20 and no 20 after that and encapsulation dot 1 to 20 and IP address is here. Oh, then after that you enter for the partition just type do show IP interface. Wait, oh my god, wait, there's so much bug in here. My god, oh, that's and after that, mm, we're going to the switch one, enable configure terminal, enter 0/6 switch port mode trunk, and do show interface trunk. For that, we just have to test ping. Okay, now we just have to ping it. So let's ping the specific pin here. Success. Next. Success. Maybe that's all about proton stick. Maybe we'll go to the next material which is switch virtual interface routing. Maybe that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.